Okay, okay. Hi guys, I'm Bavadarni from the Department of Agriculture Engineering. I'm from Chennai.
Hello everyone, I'm Dhanlakshmi from the Department of Agriculture Engineering and I'm from Trivallur.
Hello guys, I'm Naganandini from the Department of Agriculture. I am from Ramanathapuram.
Hi guys, I am S. Rashmi from the Department of Agriculture. I am from Kanyakumari. In this group discussion, we are going to see about the advantages and disadvantages of food delivery. In my point of view, I think that it has more advantages. Like it is more faster, we can get the food more fast and easier and cost efficient. In this pandemic situation, we can avoid roaming outside the house. We can protect ourselves.
I oppose your argument, Reshmi. You told that it is cheap and it saves our time. But I think that it is too costly because while we eat lively on a restaurant, we'll just give the tips. But while it comes to an online ordering, we have to pay for the delivery charges. And you told that it saves the time. No, it really lags the time because due to traffics and a few more problems which occurs in our societies. So I disagree your argument.
Actually, I support your opinion because it gives more employment for the youngsters. Nowadays, it is a pandemic situation as the working speed has been reduced. So many of the youngsters are not having their jobs. So it gives more opportunities for these youngsters for their jobs.
In my point, it have trust issues about the person. Some food delivery people may not trustworthy, and there had even case where people got robbed.
I think that it's Bhavdani said that it may late. I think that it's not depending upon the time of the delivery or depending upon the person who delivers. I think that it saves our time by we can do more works in that food ordering time rather by going to an hotel or cooking ourselves. So we can save our time, not the persons who delivers the times or not the hotel which gives the food. And we can also avoid going outside, and we can make more time, and we can have more choice to cook the take the food from the hotels. Like we can order many foods rather than cooking by ourselves. Then we can save money also by purchasing other cooking materials like rice and other things. And also we can have a casual dining also in our home itself. I think like that. What's your point?
I just want y'all to ask one question. Why do we work?
Of course it's for food.
Yeah, of course, it's for food. After working for more hours and time, we need to spend some time with our family and friends. So that time we need to go for some restaurants or for some outing areas, which creates a pleasant mind and mood. Okay, while we are ordering the food on online, it just kills the vibe, which makes uncomfortable. So I'm not. You continue. நான் முடிச்சிட்டேன்.
Baba, you are saying that it's uncomfortable. In what point of view you are saying that it's an uncomfortable?
Because when we go out like a hotel restaurant, it gives some changes. According to that, like food come to our home. It's not even changes the same place where sit and eat. There is no change like that.
Actually, I oppose with your point, Nandini, because this is a pandemic situation. We cannot go out because there is a spread of diseases. So if you are that food delivery is very quick actually. If we have any complaints with that, means we have an option of complaining about the delivery timing and the quality of food also. So you told about that location we are eating, right? So if in family we are, if have in a family we are more than 10 members, we cannot take all them to the hotel, okay? So if we ordered food, means we can sit together and eat in home comfortable manner.
Actually, according to your point, if we have 10 members in our family, the charge is cost higher than we lively go to restaurant, because the delivery charges are higher than normal restaurant food cost. And now we have a vaccine, and all hotels are have precautions, and we too have a precautions.
Naganatni, slightly agree with your points, but first of all, we need to say we want to know that going outside, it may cause more disadvantages, because if we are going with our family, it contains many older peoples and younger peoples also. So if they are roaming around the outside, it may cause us very easy to spread the disease. So we need to avoid that. So we can order our food, and if the cost is slightly high, we can adjust that. But if there any a disease or other thing happens, who will take care of that? It makes us more difficult, no? So we can eat our food in our home also by ordering the foods.
But there is no change, we have like the same place, the same people. We can't even change the dress, okay, the same night dress.
Yeah,
We in the
Naganatni,
same.
yes, I agree. But if we are going to hotel, we can't enjoy a lot, because there will be other persons from other
How
areas.
could you say we can't enjoy a lot when we out?
In
The
this
this
These
point is
pandemic
online
like
foods
situation,
literally makes us lazy.
I know in this pandemic situation, we need to wear masks, and we need to take more sanitary measures.
Yeah, it's quite good when it's a pandemic time, but it to suit for our daily regular routine
in
work.
your point. It's pandemic time, so we with delivery is good. But same thing, we are locked in our same room more than 10 months. So it's quite change when we go out.
Yes, it's have a quite change, but if we want to enjoy ourselves and enjoy more with our relatives and friends, we need to be in our home. Because if we go outside, if we are making some noise or disturbing others, it will be more difficult for others and for that hotel also. So if we have to have casual dining or casual breakfast or casual lunch, we can order our food and we can eat in our home itself. No.
If you are very depressed or lonely, you are also in home, or you just come out and see the balcony, like
Oh,
go park and
oh.
relax.
Um, yes, okay. If you are saying like that, when this is suitable for pandemic situation. I say that it's suitable for both the situation, because if we are going out of the house in this pandemic situation, other than this pandemic situation means, we need to take some measures and see the traveling issues and how we travel with our family, friends, or we want to see that, no? If we are traveling with our friends and family, we need to say that expenditure of the transport and how we go to the hotel. So it's the money which we are giving to the transport, or we are making for the transport, we can use that for the delivery charges, no? It's may quietly equal, no? Quietly lesser than
Actually,
that
we
also.
actually talk about restaurants, hotel like that. The small hotels, like small shops are definitely affect about the food delivery, because they can't give offers, they can't give food delivery to cost charge to food delivery boy, so they affect also.
I am not saying all the times we need to deliver the food. What do you think, Dhanalakshmi?
Yes, Rashmi.
Say something. She is telling that it affects the small shops.
Yeah, it's affecting small shop, but it also but they also buy food when we order something. If they did not get that recipe from the high hotels, they are also getting from the small shops also. So they are also getting some offers from that.
They can't give charge to delivery boys. Uh, they can't apply in Swiggy, Zomato like the app. They only their own risk their shop will run. So they can't give the charge to delivery boy and the pay of app also they can't do that.
I'm not saying that all the time we need to get the foods from the high shops and we want to deliver in online. I say that if there is a situation we need to spend our times with our family and friends, it is better to have a delivery, home delivery, rather than going to the hotels. Okay.
Shall we see?
Then we can stop this group discussion by it's having the both advantages and disadvantages in the food delivery. I think that both have an equal part in the food delivery, advantages as well as the disadvantages. In we seeing about the advantages, it has in pandemic situation, it has more advantages. We are ordering the food, so we can make our health proper maintain our we can maintain our health, and also have a better sanitary measures in we are by being in our home. But apart from that, seeing disadvantages, it may make us more lazy, and we can't always order our foods. It may much costlier, or it may affect the small shops also. So we need to see both the advantages and so food and food group discussion by saying that it has both advantages and disadvantages. In this pandemic advantages, it has more advantage, and rather than that, it also have the disadvantages also. Okay, thank you guys for cooperating in this group discussion.
Thank you.